May I please motion? My lord, I beg to mention item number 4.
You will have to pin it up together, huh? Albert, you will have to pin it up together. The second part. Item number 4.
My lord, here I'm yet to receive instruction.
Okay.
So kindly allow me 3 weeks time.
All right. Just a moment. Your name?
E-TIPA form.
E?
For the state government. E-TIPA form.
Learners Government Advocate?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. E. Tipa form with the consent of the other side. has paid for adjournment. List the matter on
After 3 weeks, ma'am.
after 3 weeks to receive instructions
Yes, ma'am.
from the respondents.
Yes, ma'am. Much of that.
Okay.
For pronouncement of judgment, item number 10.
So that I will need the record also. That record. MAC Appeal 1 of 2023. So that on the question of jurisdiction, there was no jurisdiction, but at the appellate stage, if there is no illegality, gross illegality, then it should not be allowed. Appeal should not be allowed on the matter of jurisdiction. So even if there was no jurisdiction, I have not allowed the appeal. But I have also not dismissed the appeal in toto. I have not given the 2 lakhs rupees awarded by the tribunal. You are for which side? Insurer? Respondent side. Okay. I have not awarded the 2 lakh rupees given by the tribunal for permanent disability, 10% of personal disability. I have given the medical expenses of 3 lakhs. Then I have given the attendance charges. I have given food and nourishment. I have not given loss of income, 75,000. But I have given compensation for pain and sufferings on grievous injuries, not for permanent disability, because it was 10% permanent disability. For grievous injuries, 20,000. And with interest, it will be calculated around 3,70,000. And with interest will be from the date of evidence as the judgment of this High Court. So it will be around rounded up to maybe somewhat less than 4 lakhs. Okay, you keep it with the record later. We'll have to keep it with the record.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6 of the order on behalf of Vice Senior CFO. Lordship, kindly grant 3 weeks time by the list.
Learned Counsel Miss
Pichano,
P. Pichano.
Lordship,
On behalf of Learned Government Advocate Mr.
Moa Inchen,
Moa Imchen, with the consent of the other side, has paid for adjournment.
Lordship,
With the consent of the other side or no consent? With the consent of the other side has paid for adjournment. List the matter on
3 weeks, Lordship.
after 3 weeks. Okay.
Lordship is an interim.
Interim order shall remain in force till the next date of listing.
Lordship, similar prayer with item number 7. Here I need to receive instructions, so in 3 weeks time, reply to me, Lordship.
Learned Counsel Miss
Pichano,
Pichano.
Lordship,
Learned Counsel Miss Pichano, on behalf of Learned Senior Government Advocate Mr. Moa Imchen, has prayed for 3 weeks time to obtain instructions.
Lordship.
Learned Counsel Mr.
Newcomb Jimo.
N. Jimome is present for the petitioner. List the matter after 3 weeks. Any interim order?
No, Lordship.
Okay.
Mr. Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 9. Kindly list this matter after 2 weeks.
Learned Counsel Mr. V. Sire.
A. Hukavisum
Mr.
for the petitioner. A. Hukavisum.
Item number 9, no?
Yes, Lordship.
Oh, okay. I'm reading out item number 8. Mr. A.
Hukavisumi.
Your name is not in the list, I think.
Yes,
Cause
Lordship,
list?
I'm appearing on behalf of my senior.
A. Huka. Likhi diba, ha? Naam to? On behalf of Learned Counsel Mr. On behalf of
Joshua Shetty.
Joshua Sheki, has prayed for, with the consent of the other side,
Yes, Lordship.
has prayed for adjournment, list the matter
2 weeks.
after 2 weeks. Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
So Lordship, I think we mentioned in 5.
Mm.
The parties are in the process of negotiation,
Conciliation.
negotiation. Kindly let the matter
Okay,
be listed
okay.
after 3 weeks.
Learned Counsel Miss
Yukakokla.
has submitted that.
Here to dispose of the IA.
Okay.
There is no negotiation going on, because that officer concerned is with me. So there is no question of the negotiation as such.
Okay.
The government has.
She's speaking on behalf of a senior. She'll have to consult her senior.
Let it reach then she may.
Okay. What about your senior?
It's out of station.
Out of station, why should it reach? How will she submit without a senior?
That is what because the state government has filed an IA.
Hmm.
Saying that because the question is simply that this land belongs to the prison. Inside that prison, there is IOC is proposing to set up.
No, but how will she submit without a senior? Just say she is not aware of the brief, no? I will grant adjournment. Senior is out of station.
I will fix it for hearing on this IA. So if you fix it for hearing on the IA.
No. Without a senior, I will not fix any.
Fix it for.
I'll fix it for admission.
On the IA is still pending, because on the last occasion as well, it was the IA was to be heard. That is why our last occasion adjournment was done. Let it be heard on the basis of the IA. Because the IA is on record. The state government is on record. State government.
So at the stage of admission, you can IA can be heard.
Liberty will be granted to press the state of admission. That may be observed.
All right then. Okay. Learned Counsel Miss.
Kokla.
Number
Designated.
designated. On behalf of Learned Government Advocate, Mr. No, on behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr. Sentianger. Oh, he is the CGC, no? No, Sentianger is not CGC. Learned Counsel, Mr. Sentianger, has prayed for adjournment. Learned Counsel, your names?
CD for respondent number 9.
Okay, Hilhiri naam to.
And N Bora for respondent number 8.
And Learned Counsel, Mr. N. Borua for respondent number
8.
8. It is respondent number 9, ekalo naam to likhi diba, and Borua for respondent number 8 has raised objections stating that they were prepared to place their argument on the IA. List this matter after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. 3 weeks, okay? Is it okay?
Fixed date, man, paying for a fixed date.
Did it, 1 day, 3 weeks, any date after 3 weeks. 22nd August. List the matter on 22nd August. And full stop. The respondents, no? Respondents. The respondents may submit the hearing on the IA.
22nd, man, I be out of station.
Okay.
After 25th.
After 25th. After 25th. The respondents may submit the hearing on the in connection with the IA. Submit the argument in connection with the IA. Interim order shall remain in force till then. 26, 26 August.
For admission, item numbers 1 and 2.
I'm appealing for respondent number 2 and 3.
Respondent number 2 and 3. Pass over for the day. Learned Counsel, once more your name? CD Rousseau. Rousseau has submitted for, has on the request, on the request of CD Rousseau, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3, matter is passed over for the day. What about the other side, petitioners? Okay. Hope they won't raise any objection.
Regarding the IA, where I have
Okay.
for reducing additional admits.
That same I,
For admission, item number 3.
Rungsung লিখা আছে এইটো নামটো নামটো লিখা আছে Rungsung CD Rungsung.
May I please?
Yes, yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of counsel for the petitioner. Lordship, in this case, the petitioner was appointed as a sub-post master in the Indian Postal Service. And she was suspended on the allegation of misappropriation of money. And thereafter, department proceeding as well as a criminal proceeding was initiated against her. And the present petition was filed on the ground that to stay for department proceedings. Since on the ground that the materials, facts, and evidence like in both the proceedings are same. So we have filed the present petitions on this ground for staying the department proceedings. And while the matter was hearing for interim stay, the department passed an order giving the compulsory retirement to the petitioner. And the petitioner has appealed before the appellate authority to challenging her compulsory retirement. So I have an instruction to President to keep the matter in abeyance until the disposal of the appeal before the appellate authority. The matter may be kept in abeyance.
This matter.
Yes, yes.
What about the other side?
It's better can be heard.
Matter can be heard.
Yes.
Are you ready with the hearing?
Lordship, I'm not ready. I'm a proxy counsel. Lordship.
Okay. So can be kept in abeyance?
No, without hearing, how can you get it? Yes. Well, let us fix a date, Lordship.
Short date? Short date? Within a short date?
Lordship.
Okay. Learned Counsel, Mr. Your name?
Malaka.
M-
Appearing on behalf
Marak,
of Malaka, appearing on behalf of Zakatush.
Maraka.
Yes,
On behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr.
Zakatush.
T. Kiji. T. Kiji.
No, Zakatush.
Okay, okay. ZCC. ZCC has prayed for time to place his argument, and meanwhile to keep this matter in abeyance till the argument is submitted. Full stop. Learned CGC, Mr. N. Mr.
Younger
Yangarwati for UI
What are you doing?
has raised objection. List this matter for admission positively on short date.
10th August.
10th August. 10th August is Sunday.
Oh, 11.
Ele-
Sorry.
11th August. Okay.
Okay.
11th August.
Possible.
Okay.
For hearing, item number 8.
The Lordship, the petitioner is here to submit, but this is a very short matter. This matter is about the pensioner has passed away and a disabled daughter wants her father's pension. And my lord, here the issue is the succession certificate was issued from Manipur because the pensioner who passed away is from Manipur. So my lord, until and unless the state disputes that the late pensioner did not serve in Nagaland, if there is no dispute, and if there is no dispute with the succession certificate, then the petitioner actually deserves.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Lordship,
Disabled
it's
daughter.
as short as that, yes, Lord.
Hmm.
Simple as that.
Yeah.
He has served in, so he has served in Manipur or in Nagaland?
In Nagaland.
In
Under
Nagaland.
Government of Nagaland.
Okay, so that is the dispute.
Your Honor.
No, as far as that is concerned, of course, my learned state colleague, state council will say, I'm for the AG, the Accountant General, I'm the standing counsel for Accountant General. An issue between them, but there is no dispute that he has served in Nagaland. And since they are a resident of Manipur, if the succession certificate issued by the district court in Manipur is not to be disputed, then there is no point in keeping this matter delayed.
Yes, yes, of course.
My lord.
He has served in Nagaland, so she will receive definitely she will receive the pension. Any glitch, any catch in this matter?
Yes, Lordship, yes, Lordship. Here, the pensioners has, the pensioners are deceased. So the petitioner is the child of the deceased pensioner. So for any inclusion, addition of a nominee in the
Yes.
pension book, there's a procedure for, Your Lordship, it's in my affidavit, Your Lordship.
So we'll
So that-
start through a shorter way, through the affidavit. Because now I know your case, I know your case. So we'll go through the government's affidavit, yes.
Lordship. The annexure is at page 12.
Page 12 of your opposition.
Yes, annexure E. Was filed on 15/5/2025.
Okay, yes,
Yes, Your Lordship. I would like to read
yes, please
on
read.
the third paragraph, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Oh, Your Lordship, I'll just read the full then. Subject speedy disposal of pension and other retirement benefit. It has been brought to the notice of this department by the Accountant General's office, reporting that they have been receiving numerous petitions from different departments requesting for inclusion of name nominee in the BPO book after the death of the pensioner. In this regard, attention is invited to the department's office memorandum such and such dated 4/8/12, wherein detailed guidelines were issued on the speedy disposal of pension and other retirement benefits, which has come into operation with effect from 4/8/2012. One of the guidelines specified in the aforementioned office memorandum was to avoid, this is important, was to avoid inclusion of name of second wife and children as nominee after the death of the pensioner in respect of settled cases. However, it is observed that many departments, without properly verifying the genuineness of the case in accordance with the guidelines issued in the office memorandum dated 4/8/12, have been simply forwarding the petitions to the Accountant General's office for extension of pensionary benefits. Therefore, it is hereby reiterated that inclusion, change of nominee, which shall also include post-retirement spouse and children, for the purpose of family pension after the death of the pensioner, which is the present case, Your Lordship, in the respect of settled cases shall not be allowed without proper inquiry by the Deputy Commissioner of the district. Any alteration, addition in the size of the family should be immediately brought to the notice of the head of the office in the prescribed format for onward submission to Accountant General's office while the pensioner is still alive. Your Lordship, here the pensioner is not alive, the pensioner is dead. So for this case to proceed, Your Lordship, the petitioner has to go before the concerned Deputy Commissioner for genuineness verification, Your Lordship. And if that is done now, the second step can be taken by the government, Your Lordship. So the petitioner has to take that steps.
Your Honor,
Before-
may I be allowed to respond to the submission of the learned government of Gauhati? Your Honor, in this respect, the petitioner has submitted the necessary documents along with the form, Your Honor, to the head office, Your Honor. The receipt is annexed in the
Petitioner may approach the
head office,
Deputy Commissioner.
Your Honor. The receipt is in annexure 14, page 35 of the petition, Your Honor.
For verification, according
Yes,
to
for-
you.
for- Your Lordship, if I may, before the petitioner submits, Lord, this bench has also in two other similar cases has disposed on similar lines, Your Lordship. These are the judgment orders, Your Lordship,
Let me see.
giving a direction to the petitioner to approach the Deputy Commissioner for very genuineness.
But he has
verification.
stated that he had already approached.
No, Your Lordship, has not.
Your Honor, the receipt is annexed as annexure 14 in page 35, Your Honor, of the petition, Your Honor. The petitioner has submitted the necessary form, the prescribed form, along with the necessary documents to the head office, Your Honor. However, the state respondent have not conducted any inquiry.
Annexure
nor
14.
verification.
Annexure 14.
Annexure 14, Your Honor, page 35 of the petition. We have the petitioner have complied the 2015 notification issued by the state government, Your Honor. But the state respondent has not taken any step, Your Honor, till date. Submission of form of application for family pension on their own.
Then when you have not received any response from the state government,
Your Honor,
did you approach again?
we have submitted the representation in Your Honor. This was submitted on 20 May 2022, Your Honor.
Where?
20th May 2022.
Which page?
And page 35 of the petition, Your Honor. Annexure 14.
No, no.
And even after the submission of this form,
when you did
Well,
not get
we have-
any, you have
we have
submitted.
submitted another representation.
Where is it?
Dated 25
Yes,
July 2023.
25 July 2023.
2023.
Where is it?
Annexure 22, Your Honor. Page 48. My apology. Page 48.
Okay.
Your Lordship, here the issue is a little complicated and also simple at the same time. Two things now. There are two deputy commissioners. One is that the petitioner whose late father, the pensioner, is already expired.
You are for the central government, for the AG.
I'm for the accountant general. So whether the inquiry is to be conducted by the DC Senapati or DC Kohima.
To DC.
Yes,
To
because-
DC covering the jurisdiction.
no, we are now different states. Senapati is under Manipur,
Okay.
Kohima is under Nagaland. The late pensioner served in Nagaland. So Kohima DC actually should have jurisdiction. But at the same time, the present petitioner is a resident of Senapati that is under Manipur district. So
They have approached which district? Nagaland.
We have not approached the deputy commissioner, Your Honor.
which
You have not approached.
Your Honor, as
We
per
can
the-
give, we can give this direction then.
Your Honor, as per 2015 notification, we have to, I am supposed to approach the head office, not the deputy commissioner. And on the forwarding by the head office, I have to go before the deputy
yes,
commissioner.
I was coming to that point, Your Lordship. So if the petitioner has approached the appropriate authority, then the appropriate authority whether will issue direction to the DC Kohima and the DC Kohima will have a onward contact with the DC Senapati. Your Lordship, my learned colleague for the state has already shared two authorities. Perhaps the procedures are mentioned there, but the appropriate paragraph.
Please read the paragraph. Do you have a copy of this order? Okay. Oh no, these authorities. You're about to read which one?
Your Lordship, the order dated 25/9/23, and that one.
Yes, 25/9/23, yes.
Your Lordship, I would like to read from page 3, Your Lordship.
Page 3, yes.
Paragraph 3, I would like to read from paragraph.
Yes, yes.
After arguing the matter for some time, the learned counsel for the petitioner, while producing a copy of the OM dated such and such, prayed for allowing her to approach the deputy commissioner of the concerned district, as it provides that for any inclusion, change of name, such and such, for the purpose of family pension after the death of the pensioner in respect of settled cases shall not be allowed without proper inquiry of the deputy commissioner of the concerned district. The learned state counsel for the state respondent as well as respondent number 5, accountant general, has no objection to the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner. It is noticed that the state respondent as well as such and such have filed their respective additional affidavits stating that the records have been weeded out as per the rules, and the respondent number 5 stated that unless the required documents submitted by the state government, the Office of the Accountant General is handicapped to proceed with the matter. Your Lordship, it is settled law that the pension is not a boundary. Therefore, the respondent authorities are expected to decide the matter expeditiously, as such technicalities of office procedure should not be a cause for the petitioner to suffer for such family pension, as well as pensionary benefit of less husband such and such. Having considered submissions and prayers made by the learned counsel for the parties, the petitioner is allowed to approach the concerned deputy commissioner for appropriate action in terms of the rules, as well as to redress the grievance of the petitioner expeditiously. It is made clear that the state respondents and respondent number 5, Office of the Accountant General, shall cooperate and support the petitioner for early solution of the matter and release the pension. And Your Lordship, in order dated 21/3/24. Lordship, page 5, paragraph 10. In view of the above, Lordship and Colleague.
Yes, yes.
Page 10, page 5, paragraph 10. In view of the above admitted position and also in view of the office memorandum 13/7/2015, this court is inclined to dispose of the petition by directing the petitioner to approach the Deputy Commissioner Kohima, Nagaland, for making an inquiry in respect of change of name of late VK Peseye and to take appropriate action, and thereafter to redress the grievance of the petitioner as soon as practicable, after which the same shall be brought to the notice of the head of the office in prescribed format for onward submission to the Accountant General Office, and on receipt of which the Accountant General respondent number 4 herein shall proceed to dispose of the same in accordance with law. Lordship, therefore, this can be disposed of in the same line, Lordship, giving a direction to the petitioner to approach the Deputy Commissioner, and after that, the respondents will take steps, Your Lordship.
This court cannot pass any order
Your Honor, in that case,
apart from that.
Your Honor, in that case, then which deputy commissioner should I approach? Because as per this 2015 notification does not specify about my case, Your Honor. So should I approach the deputy commissioner Sanapati or a deputy commissioner in Kohima, Your Honor? Because this notification does not cover my case, Your Honor.
So what will be the best way, midway?
Every way,
Midway.
Your Honor.
Huh?
I mean,
Your Lordship, it's a little dicey. The coordinate bench of this court was also concerned about this issue. Now, from the practical point of view, what I understand is a deputy commissioner can also have direct contact with the other deputy commissioner of the other state, but it has to come from above. The authority has to come from the government side. Your Lordship, a little on the same lines, but with a little difference that the higher authority also should monitor this to ensure that first, of course.
But the higher authority has not been made a party. Higher authority has been made a party.
no, Your Honor. I've completed the
Higher authority has to be made a party if direction is to be given.
The state of Nagaland.
Your Honor.
No, the chief secretary is implemented, so then.
Impleted, okay.
Your Honor.
Chief Secretary is impleted.
Your Honor.
Your Lordship,
Can we ask for instructions instead of disposing of?
yeah, we can do that.
That will be better.
Because it's a little different.
So you can get instructions from the office of the Chief Secretary. Commissioners.
Commissioner and Secretary of Government of Affairs, Transport Department. But in the state, the Commissioner and Secretary will have no authority.
Oh, Your Lordship.
It's
I think number 1 will be better.
Your Honor. Because it involves the Department of Personnel and Administrative Reform, Your Honor.
We will obtain instructions instead of so that there won't be any chaotic situation. In this matter itself, we will dispose it of. Otherwise, again, you'll have to come with an IA or a review. So it's better if she may obtain instructions.
Your Honor.
So which authority?
Yes,
should
yes.
approach?
Yes, yes. I think that higher office will be better to get instructions,
Your
no?
Lordship, since the since respondent number 2, Your Lordship, is already aware of this matter, Your Lordship. I think it would be proper if the instruction can be sought from this
Respondent number 2.
Your Lordship. In fact,
Okay.
Your Lordship,
Okay.
I would also like Lordship to take.
But the respondent number 2 will have no authority over the commissioner. It's only the chief secretary.
No, it's just to take an instruction as to which authority
Your Honor, may I?
petitioner should.
Your Honor, the 2015 notification is being issued by Department of Personnel and Administrative Reform, Your Honor, not the respondent number.
But he has not made a party.
He has not made a PNR authority, so the more appropriate authority.
Once you obtains instructions, you made this office
Your
who has
Honor,
issued the notification a party.
Yes, Your Lordship, Your Lordship, I would also like to take Your Lordship to Annexure C, Your Lordship, of my affidavit, Your Lordship, which was filed on 15/5. This is the,
Annexure C.
yes. Your Lordship, this letter was written by the government to the department, Your Lordship. It's page 10.
Okay. Yes.
To the general manager, Nagaland Transport, Dimapur, such and such, grant of family.
Page
pension-
10, no?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, no, this is not annexure C.
This
Affidavit,
affidavit was filed on 15/5/2025.
affidavit filed on 15/5, no?
Yes.
Okay.
This might be the additional.
No, this is not 15/5, this is 9 June. June. Yes, I got it.
So this is addressed to the general manager, Nagaland State Transport, Dimapur. The subject, grant of family pension under PPO number such and such to permanently disabled unmarried daughter of late and Loro of NST department. I am directed to refer to the subject cited above and to forward here with an observation of PNR department at Annexure A. You are therefore requested to furnish the requisite information from serial number 1 to 5 as desired by our PNR for further necessary action. This is the
next page.
the next page, page 11, Your Lordship. This is the unofficial order, Your Lordship. The matter has been examined and the department is advised to clarify, furnish the following further examination of the case. Whether the head of the department is satisfied that the handicap is of such nature so as to prevent Ms. El Adaha from earning her livelihood, give detailed justification, disability certificate from the concerned district medical board, guardianship certificate, furnish genuineness verification report from the concerned deputy commissioner with regard to claim of family pension on disability ground by Ms. El Adaha, intellectually disabled daughter of late such and such, holder of PPO number such and such. Since the claim of inclusion of Ms. El Adaha, intellectually disabled daughter of late such and such in the PPO of her father has been forwarded after a gap of 40 years, the department may be requested to furnish investigation report from the Nagaland Lok Ayakta on whether Ms. El Adaha is intellectually disabled daughter of late such and such under transport department holder of PPO. Your Lordship, I'm showing this to your Lordship to make a point that PNR should also be made a party so that PNR will be able to answer these queries with regard to which concerned deputy commissioner the petitioner is to approach, Your Lordship.
Lordship, may I submit?
So you see, when he will raise objection, then this court cannot so moto implicate them as a party. I'm
No.
sure he will raise objection.
Lo-
So then you will have to file an application. If you want them to be made a party, this is what I understand. Because definitely he'll raise an objection.
Lordship,
Yes.
I'm submit that the administrative head of the state is the chief secretary in every state. I humbly submit that. And in our petition, we have included the chief secretary of the government of Nagaland.
Yeah, true.
So
Your Lordship, even
in my
processing-
opinion, they can take instructions from the chief secretary. Because the chief secretary is the administrative head of the state. And
Yes,
has
yes.
included chief secretary.
So he will direct the PNAR. According to,
Your-
he'll direct the PNAR and obtain instructions. No, that is not the, that
Your
is not
Lordship,
the
I
way.
respect your Lordship.
As my okay, so correctly, so the state council may file a full IA application for a completion of the he had, because the queries, the 5 queries, this affidavit.
This is very important,
But
yes.
it's very important.
Yes,
And to also ensure that pension is not unfairly
distributed.
to a wrong person. So since
No, mentally disabled, I'm sure that result will come in favor of the petitioner only.
No, no.
Mentally disabled, what will she work? Where will she work?
Yes, sir.
What job will she be offered? Mentally disabled or mentally not retarded?
Yes, sir.
Should not say retarded, but
This is coming from the activity of state respondents. Perhaps they should submit a short.
yes, yes, yes. So you obtain instructions also, and then you obtain you file an affidavit also, and then this will be finally decided. Otherwise, we can give a direction, but it will come back again. It will be half done.
Worship, if I file an, if I come with an instruction also, Your Worship, in
That will be enough.
processing the,
Yes, that will be enough.
I'll just take an instruction.
You find a better way out. If required, then you file an affidavit meanwhile. Within the gap, whatever you file, the solution has to be final. It's not that they are not willing to provide pension to the petitioner. It's not that you will also come back again in a half done manner. So it has to be complete. The order has to be complete, so that you don't have to come back again with a review petition or with anything else. And it has to be final, like these 2 orders. In these 2 orders, they didn't have any catch. Here, there's a catch.
Yeah, 2015 notification does not cover my case, Your Honor, because I'm from Manipur. I'm from the state of Manipur. So,
She'll
Yes, Your
obtain
Honor.
instructions.
Your Honor.
Third Learned Counsel, Mr.
Please, Your Honor.
You'll know the names, no? You belong to this place. V. Siri for the petitioner, and comma, and learned government advocate, learned government advocate, no? Miss Inaholi, comma, and learned counsel, Mr. Joshua Seki, for standing counsel for the AG. Standing counsel for the respondent number 5. I have considered the submissions at a bar. It is submitted that the petitioner is the daughter of the late incumbent who was serving as driver.
Your Honor.
Huh?
Your Honor, in the Department of Nagaland State Transport.
Who was serving as driver in the Department of Nagaland State Transport. Most of the petitioner is partially disabled or physically disabled.
Physically disabled.
Where, which paragraph?
75% disability.
The petitioner is suffering from which, where is the,
Cerebral
which paragraph?
dysplasia. Page 17, Your Honor. The disability certificate is
Oh,
page
yeah.
17 of the petition.
Page 17. %75%.
Your Honor. Caused by cerebral palsy dysplasia, Your Honor.
Okay. %75% disability caused by cerebral palsy, DIPLYIN, no?
Yeah.
First of Annexure 3 is the disability certificate. the petitioner's family was receiving family pension, and later, after her mother's death, the pension has been stopped. Full stop. The petitioner as the petitioner is suffering from physical disability, she is suffering immensely. Owing to financial constraints or not being provided with the family pension. This impelled the petitioner to approach the which place you have approached?
Oh, head office.
Head office of
Or Nagaland State Principal.
Nagaland State Transport.
No.
Full stop. Annexure 14 is the representation.
The receipt of submitting necessary form and the documents, Your Honor,
Okay.
to the head office.
Annexure 14 reflects the submission of form of application for family pension on death of pensioner in respect of the permanently disabled unmarried daughter of late N. Lorho, Lorho. As there was no response for from the department, the petitioner was impelled to file this petition. The learned government advocate for the respondent number 1, 2, 4, no? 1, 2, 3, and 4 has submitted that she may obtain instructions relating to the
OM dated
okay, relating to the OM dated what?
13 July 2015.
13 July 2015, page 12.
Yes. 13 July 2015 being OM number, wide OM number, PAR stroke PEN stroke OBJ stroke 6 stroke 2012. So it is not clear, both full stop. It is submitted on behalf of the respondents that as the petitioner is residing in Nagaland and as the In Manipur.
as the petitioner is residing in Manipur and as a father was an employee under the state of Nagaland, it is not clear if the office of the DC, Deputy Commissioner Senabody, Senabody or the office of the Deputy Commissioner Kohima may verify the genuineness of the verify the genuineness and ascertain if the petitioner is entitled to family pension. Okay. List the matter on.
After 2 weeks.
List the matter after 2 weeks.
No.
Okay. Over. Recording. Okay.